Don't feel anxious, don't feel shame. If there's a question, it can't wait another day. Don't feel like it's all in vain. I try to remember, it ain't a race. Breathe out, it doesn't matter anyway. Breathe in, it's about happiness in the air. Take it slow, watch the road, stop driving myself insane. The end of the day, you got me in to go dreaming. You got me in to go dreaming. You got me.
Hello guys! We are going on a bike ride, so today we just want to ride, explore these roads and all. Tarak, he wants to ride the bike from long time on these roads. So now here he is and he is enjoying his ride. So I just took off my helmet to just vlog. We don't know the destination, we are just going. Maybe we started from Manali to Naggar to Kullu. But I will try to play with this GoPro and I'll try to show you some cool cinematic shots and the ride shots. Yeah, let's go for a ride. What's your Tarak?
Yeah.
Tired of the way that you feel. Is it real? Tired of the way that you feel. Is it real? It's the lullaby straight till the morning. Oh, how we keep it going. This love is only moments, girl. And you know I'm carrying the world. So just fuck me like the side boy. Save me from all of the pain and the drama. I'm playing whisper down the lane with my problems. Hope it's somebody gonna solve them. And so I lose myself in labor. Time to cry.
So I just completed a ride to a local village called Naggar, and Naggar, the key attraction in Naggar is Naggar Castle. That is where I'm standing right now. It has got a lot of history, in fact, in the background. And the best part about this castle is it's made from only some wooden logs and stones. So there is no brick, cement or anything used, and we are talking in the 1600s. So that's the specialty of this. And also this was ruled by it was ruled by somebody, and then there were a few things, and later on what happened is now that this is no longer ruled by anyone. I think around in 1978 or something, they have handed it over to the Himachal Pradesh Tourism, and they have converted this to a hotel. So now it's also called Hotel Naggar Castle, and it's a tourist attraction. It also can be used for staying if required. And there is a small temple, it seems, inside, and that is also very famous. So we need to go ahead and check it out. So what is what is so special here? And the best part is there were a lot of movies shot here, and in fact they're written on a big whiteboard, like the movies that were shot here, including Desamudru by Allu Arjun and Wild Dog recently by Nagarjuna and stuff. So, and the very famous Jab We Met as well was shot here. So let's see what is so special in this place, and then let's find out. And the best part is there we are allowed to take photography and videography inside, so maybe we can vlog inside as well. So let's continue.
It's the lullaby straight till the morning. Oh, how we keep it going. This love is only moments, girl. And you know I'm carrying the world. So just fuck me like the side boy. Save me from all of the pain and the drama. I'm playing whisper down the lane with my problems. Hope it's somebody gonna solve them. And so I lose myself in labor. Time to cry when the days fill. But when the lights turn low and there's no one here.
So scenic, huh? This place is so scenic. After looking inside now, I kind of remember seeing these locations in a few movies. When he said, I kind of was a little skeptical to see what exactly was inside, but now I can kind of figure it out. I'm not sure what exactly we have to see inside, but
It's just the architecture.
it's just the architecture, and it's a scenic place. You can see the hills from here. It's on the top of a cliff, so it's a beautiful place, obviously.
So they converted this place into hotel and restaurant. So this is the restaurant. So just come.
No. Why you always so tired? Yeah. It's the lullaby straight till the morning.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, how we keep it going. This love is only moments, girl. And you know I'm carrying the world.
This is actually fireplace. You must have closed it. Yeah.
Yes, looks like a fireplace. Nice.
It's the lullaby straight till the morning. Oh, how we keep it going. This love is only moments, girl. And you know I'm carrying the world. So just fuck me like the side boy. Save me from all of the pain and the drama. I'm playing whisper down the lane with my problems. Hope it's somebody gonna solve them. So I lose myself in
And stay.
So
Actually,
basically,
they
because
converted
it's
everything
a
into a hotel and
hotel, now I think
restaurant. The one which we saw was restaurant, and this is the hotel rooms. So I think we are not supposed to go there. So let's enjoy the view from here.
the view is good. View looks nice. Luckily, it's a little warm today. So, is that all?
That's it.
So that is Nagar Castle, and we'll get down, and we're kind of a little hungry.
Yeah, we are a little hungry, and then.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down and probably have something. I saw a cafe just outside Nagar Castle's main door. So they said homemade bakery or something. I'll go try to have something there and see if it tastes good. I'll
And
continue
hit
the
the
rest of the
road.
vlog there, and then go back and hit the road. Need to check out from my current place.
Why you always so tired? Yeah. It's the lullaby straight till the morning. Oh, how we keep it going. This love is only moments, girl. And you know I'm carrying the world.
We just came out of the castle, and just nearby, like 10 steps, there is a cafe, Nagar Delight Cafe. So we have heard a lot of reviews on this on Zomato, that the coffees and especially the cake, cheesecake is really good. So if you're here, try the cheesecake. So as of now, Tarak ordered cappuccino. I'll order some latte. My throat is gone, so I need something hot to drink. So I'll order some latte and then cheesecake. So there is outdoor seating. This is a small cafe. If you see, there's no one inside, so I just took out the mask. Yeah, it's just a small cafe, but there's an outdoor seating too with a mountain view. So he's enjoying the view. So let me go have some coffee and yeah, let's hit the road. So that's the view and I'm having my latte. I think I need to add sugar. See the beauty of nature.
Let me know why you're always so tired. Yes, it's the lullaby straight till the morning. Oh, how we keep it going. This love is only moments, girl. And you know I'm carrying the world.
Ride, that was a lovely ride and we will again go there. So meanwhile we had to vacate the one which we are staying the property, so we have moved to another property which is very close to the mall road. Yeah, the view is, of course, it's fantastic in Manali. So let me show you the room and I really liked it, but there is only one thing which I didn't like is there is no fan. And I asked for the fan, but they said this is Manali, you will not have fan. And yeah, let's go and check out the room. So this is the view from the room. So you have to come from here and then there is a staircase. So I'll show you the cottage. This is how the cottages look. And let's go in. So when you enter, you have 2 chairs. You can just chill out, have gossip, whatever, chat with your, loved ones. Or if you're alone, you can just enjoy the view from here. So that's the view from this place. So when you enter, there is a dressing area. You can put your laptop and you can work. And this is the bed. There are 2 chairs again over there. This is how it looks. And there are curtains. That is where you can put your baggage. There is a lot of space over there. So the bathroom is also neat. So yeah, that's my room tour from this cottage. I think it's Baga Cottages, just near the mall road, just opposite to the mall road. The room per day here is like 1500. That's a good deal. And yeah, that's it with this place. So let's go. Okay, we were on a bike ride and then we decided to go to this Hampta PASS trek starting point. As we are not going to the trek, so we thought let's go to the starting point. And the main road, they have stopped it. They have put some barricades because there's some project going on, so they put some barricades and they're not allowing us. So what we asked locals and they showed us how to go without crossing that barricades. We have to go through the village, and that is how this is the route we are coming.
Tarak went on a bike because only one person can go. So, yeah, let me walk and go till there. So, guys, if you want to go to Hampta Pass Trek starting point, the Chika, if you're in car, then you have to take a permission in Manali Mall Road. If you're on bike and want to do some adventure, then you have to go through a village and you have to come to Prini School, and just beside that there is a small lane to that village and only one bike can pass. So Tarak went and I was walking because if there is overweight and the bike will not go. So yeah, that is how you can go to that starting point or whatever.
Let me know, why you're always so tired.
We are in Hampta Pass Road, so 300 meters there is a trek point. We might not go there, we'll just return back. Totally off roads. I mean, the road was worst, one of the worst road. That's the Hampta Pass. Maybe they start the trek from there somewhere. So that's the area. So the mountains over here. So yeah, that's it with Nagar road. Bike ride. Morning it was lovely, the bike ride and all. Then we decided to go to Hampta Pass trek point. We did so many things, but the road is really bad. Yeah, this is one heck of a ride, I would say. So we went to a lot of places on this bike. Yeah, we loved it almost.
Yeah. So you need an adventure bike on this trail, huh? So we are riding a classic 350. Still, it did the job, but somehow I felt an adventure bike would have been more better. But yeah, it's a nice trail. Actually, somebody who likes adventure, this trail is really good.
Yeah, that's correct. Okay then, chalo. See you in the other vlog, and until then, Alekhya and Tarak from Taral Stories. Keep watching our videos, do subscribe to our channel and encourage us, and we will show you a lot of content in this channel. So, bye-bye from Manali.